Hey, say goodbye to cluttered files and hello to productivity. That's this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. It has to do with Notepad++. I learned about Notepad++, oh gosh, it's over 10 years ago, and still using it. It's a great free Windows-based text editor, and having everything that you create in that application contained in the same folder makes it easy as cake to back it up to the cloud. And then when you have an individual text document in there, like your notes for your podcast episodes, for instance, then you just back up that file to the same folder. And bazinga, you got it done, and it makes managing large amounts of data easy as cake and simplified using tips like this. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.